When receiving your Excel scale, you will receive the scale with accessories. The accessories include an AB type USB cable and an AC adapter. Before plugging in the scale, turn the unit over. You will notice a sticker with a circular arrow. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the load cell locking screw. Beware the power switch is located here. Do not turn it on just yet. Turn the unit over. Now install the scale platform, ensuring the slanted edge is facing the front. Push down gently to complete the platform installation. Your scale has a built-in bubble level. Make sure the bubble is centered. If not, turn unit over and adjust the feet accordingly. Now connect the power adapter and USB cable as shown. Now turn the scale on with the power switch located on the bottom left. Let's test our scale. On Remote One/Report One software, select a product. Take your item and set it on your Excel scale. Check that the weight from the scale transfers over to the software.